Hello everyone, Christian here with Pipe Doctor Home Services. Today we're back at this hybrid water heater I was at yesterday. Replaced that control board, and they called back and they got the same error while I was on the phone waiting for A.O. Smith to pick up. Checked both the elements just to see if there was a problem. That one's good, 13 ohms. This one, nothing. A.O. Smith said that if it's open and the unit can't see a continuity through the element, then it'll give me the same EDR code. So water heater's drained. Just shut the pump off and pull the hose back outside. I'm gonna pull out this socket here, or the element here, and we'll replace it with the new one, which I've got sitting over there, right there. And because we were here yesterday, I asked A.O. Smith if they can help the customer out, and they gave me a labor number, so the customer's not going to have to pay for the labor for this. So we're just going to charge them labor for today, and then they just, they get an email from A.O. Smith, fill out the form, and then send A.O. Smith the invoice along with the labor number, and then they get their money back, and then everyone's happy. So I'm going to disconnect the wiring here, and then I'll, pull it out, put the new one in, and keep this moving. All right, so this is the element. That looks amazing. Oh, that's great. Look at that. Really nice. Oh, man. Garbage. My shiny new one. Put this in and we'll plug everything back together. Bam, there. New element's in. As far as why this one failed, my only guess is I tried looking for the meter to see if maybe there's a leak on this hot water side, but can't find the meter. The only 4 meters that I can find aren't his. So best guess, besides it being maybe some sort of leak on the hot water side, is that the old control fried the element yesterday, and I just didn't check it. And A.O. Smith, when I told them about the EDR code, they didn't tell me to check it either. So all I did was I opened it up and just looked at it. Didn't see anything. But there we go. So new one's in. I'll start filling this thing up with water. Reach back here. Let's fill the water. Okay. Let it fill up. We'll run all the faucets for a little bit. Make sure we're not going to have this same issue again, and then we will turn it back on and see what happens. Okay, so new element's in. Tank's full of water. I've had the faucets running for about 4 minutes now. It was, I think, 250 when I turned them on, and yeah, 255 now. Focus. So I'm gonna go shut the faucets off, and we'll come back out here. We'll flip the breaker on over there, and hopefully thing boots up and doesn't give me another EDR code, because I don't want to call A.O. Smith again. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. Still got a bit of sputtering out, so now it's stopped. Alright, you got the stuff over there on too? Yeah, look. We'll let these run for a bit longer. That scares me a little bit. And it's been like 4 more minutes. Faucets and tubs were ran for a little bit longer. Turned it all off. Turn this one back on. I'm not getting any air anymore, so we should be good. So I'm gonna go turn the hot water heater on, or the water heater, not hot water heater. Okay, so ran the faucets and the tubs and showers and everything again for a little bit longer, because we were still getting air sputtering out, but after letting them run for a bit longer, turned them all off, let them sit for a little bit, turned faucets back on just to make sure I'm not getting air into the system when I turn the water off. Doesn't look like I am. I didn't get any more sputtering. So this is all together. It's wired back in, not getting any air out, so I'm going to turn the breaker back on for this water heater here. Let's see. Right here. Pow. And now, see how long this thing takes to boot up. Yesterday I did it after I feel like 2 minutes. First, the original part on here took like 8-10 minutes or something like that. It's crazy. But yeah, just wait for this to boot up, and we'll see what it does. I'll put it on hybrid. That's what he added on. All right, so it's on. It's running. Getting nice cold air out the back. We'll see what happens, but hopefully this will be the last time I have to come out here for the water heater, at least. Maybe at least for a while. I know I talked to him about putting a recirculating pump on the water heater, because he's got, I think he said, a shower and a faucet on the far side of the house that it just takes a bit too long for him to get hot water. But we'll see if he actually wants us to come out and do that. Other than that, everything's good. Everything seems good. We'll see. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.